Okay, now we're approaching from Quorn to turn left onto the A6004 towards the university. There's nothing too tricky here. Keep left on approach, mirrors and signal left. Note the lane markings. Left lane for left turn, right lane is for straight ahead and right turn. Keep to the left as you exit, and remember the pedestrian crossing and your right mirror check for merging traffic. We're approaching from Quorn, this time to go straight ahead towards Loughborough Town Centre. That's the second exit. Hold a position to the right as the lanes split, so that you're in the right-hand lane to go straight ahead on approach. Now, did you notice those markings? Watch out for buses in the left-hand lane. They could be going straight ahead to take advantage of the bus lane that's on the roundabout. Head for the A6 north lane, then centre left mirror and left signal to exit into the bus lane if not in operation, or the right-hand lane if it is, or if a bus is coming around on your left. Now we're approaching from Quorn to turn right towards Leicester A6. If you like to count exits, remember the farm counts, so we're heading for the fourth exit. Signal early and keep right on approach. Stay well in the right-hand lane. All the way around. That's the A6 south lane. Then spiralling out, signalling left at the farm exit, and there we go.